Hi, I'm Dave from Dave.G.Designs. You might know me from such videos as how to make a dust cyclone for under a tenner, or how to make a circle jig for your table saw. I wanted to do a short video for Woodworking UK. It's a really good site. I'm loving it. The content's really good. The people are really cool. You get a lot of information from it, and I'm certainly getting a lot out of it. I'm quite new to wood turning. I've only been turning about 3 or 4 weeks now, but I've managed to produce a few, a few decent pens and bits and bobs. I was going to do a short video for the competition on actually turning a pen, and then I decided what I will do is I will do a slightly different video that I haven't seen a huge amount of. People will always be quick to show you how to use certain tools, but I've not seen a huge amount of videos in terms of actually sharpening the tools, and I can't believe how important it is to do that, but also at the same time it's quite difficult. Certainly for me as practically a beginner, I didn't have a clue about sharpening things like a skew chisel or a spindle gouge, but I have started to realise how important it is not only to sharpen them, but to learn to sharpen them well. And I've seen a lot of different tools that you can use in terms of sharpening stones and bench grinders and all sorts of stuff, but when you haven't really got a clue what you're doing, not only does it seem pretty dangerous, but at the same time you're probably not doing any good with the tools as it is anyway. You're probably doing more harm than good. So a good friend of mine, Brett Cunningham, member of the group, he's lent me his, I don't know if you can see that, he's lent me his Robert Sorby Pro Edge sharpener deluxe system thing stuff. It's a great piece of kit. It's not cheap. It is somewhere in the region of 400 quid's worth of equipment, but I can honestly see that it's worth every penny. I wouldn't say I'm an expert in using it, and at the moment I only have the short set of Axminster tools, so it doesn't necessarily fit in terms of some of the attachments. So when you put the tools in, it's okay if you're doing it for a 90 degree, but when you move this rest and you decide you want to do something at a sharper angle, say say there. So when you offer up the shorter tools, what you find is that it butts up against here. It's not a reflection on the sharpening system. It's in this case, it's not the bad workman blaming his tools. It's more the tools blaming the bad workman, or something like that. Anyway, you get the idea. So you've also got this jig that comes with it that you'd clamp your chisel into, drop it into here, and this is where you would use it to grind the correct angle on the actual gouge itself. I'm not an expert in using it, so I'm not going to go in any great detail, but I just wanted to say that it's well worth having a look at these, and I've been watching numerous videos on YouTube about how to use them, and the more I look at it, the more I think I'm going to have to stretch the budget and get one. Anyway, I hope you like my video. Stick around till the end. I'll put some of the outtakes and bloopers, if you like, and yeah, enjoy. Happy turning. Hi, I'm Dave from Dave.G.Designs. You might know me from such videos as, "Hey stupid, don't put your finger in that." You might you might know me from such videos as "Don't touch that, it's sharp." You might know me from such videos as "If you stick it there, you won't like it." I didn't have a clue about sharpening things like you know, a skew chisel or a spindle gouge. So, where the fuck is my spindle gouge? When you offer your tool up, obviously there's an aeroplane going over, which is really noisy. So when you offer your tool up on the shorter, wow. So when you offer the shorter tools up, why am I doing that? I don't know. So when you offer up the short, however, that's not a reflection of the sharpening system. That's more a reflection of how short my tool is. That's not a reflection of the sharpening system. It's more a reflection of the length of my tool. my small shaft. You'd clamp your chisel into. That sits in there. Once you've set it at the right angle, and it falls out. You also get stick around till the end. Don't know what that was.